What is up, my people? Coming on here to share a couple of things with you. First and foremost, man, I really wasn't expecting for the channel to get so much attention on the first month, man. I mean, I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but almost 150 subscribers within a month. I mean, I don't know, that seems like a lot to me. Maybe it's not a lot, and maybe I'm just not used to that, but dude, that's kind of crazy that in no time people were just subscribing, and you guys are really enjoying my stories and what I have to say. So man, God bless you guys, and keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing, and keep commenting. Let me know. Like, my thing is, I really want to connect with people that are struggling, man. We don't really understand how much we actually need people and how much community for traders is important. I guarantee you this, guys, and I've said it before, is if you, like, let's say like 3 or 4 of your buddies were traders, right? And you guys every single morning were at 9:30, at your desks, and everyone just decided to get together and trade. I guarantee you, this is a guarantee, this is a fact, this is a guarantee, guys, that your trading performance would significantly go up. Your profitability, your ability to be profitable would go up. Why? Because A, you want to perform the best, right? Because you're amongst other people who are performing well. And B, if anyone is going on tilt, or if anyone's just struggling, the person next to him is going to say, hey, you know what, man, you've had enough, bro. How many have you taken today? 2 or 3 trades? You're negative, dude. Trust me, it's going to be better if you just walk away. So I'm telling you guys, community is so important, man. So important, dude. Like, I wish I had a fucking team of buddies that, I could just sit around and we could all fucking trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, fucking, I wish, but that's just not the case, man. Like, so many people who are traders, they don't have many people around them who trade. So the only way to do it is by joining these communities, and by, being a part of communities that everyone's like-minded, everybody has the same mindset, all that good stuff. So one thing I was thinking, and I would love to do this, man, if anybody's in Miami, I know a couple of the big wigs, right? I know a couple of the big wigs watch my shit. Man, I really want to do this, guys. Why isn't there like a Miami like hedge fund, like, in a sense, a prop firm hedge fund or something? I would love to like open up a little office and basically just maybe get like 10 chairs, right? 10 desks, 10 computers, and essentially have it like whoever wants to come and trade, you can come and trade your prop firm here. You can come and trade whatever you trade here. Excuse me. I'm just surprised that like none of these guys have thought about doing this, because I don't think it'll take a lot of money to get that started. So just a shot in the dark. If any of you guys want to do this shit, let me know. I'm super down. But besides that, I wanted to point out something, which is the whole market crash that has happened throughout these last couple days. And 1 second. And essentially, I do think that it's extremely minimal, right? And what I mean is, like, guys, I don't think you guys realize that like 2% is nothing in the grand scheme of things. It is quite the move, right? But think about it like this, right? If you, in the S&P, right, if you put $1 million into the S&P and it falls 2%, right? Out of $1 million, how much money is that really? Right? Like, it's really not a lot of money. Even if the market tanked 10%, guys, and you put $1 million into the S&P, how much is that going to go down? What did you lose? $100,000? And we know that for every fall, there is a great correction, guys. So I want to say this. I want to say that just cut the fear, guys. Cut the shit. Like, it's okay. The most important thing is to not over leverage yourself, not over trade as usual, not, you know, lose your account in these moments that the market is just tanking and grabbing a hold of new liquidity before it makes its new leg up. You have to understand that with, you know, the market needs to like go down, grab liquidity, all the liquidity, all those stops, all those orders, to then start to climb back up. And we're starting to see that. If you were trading the markets today, which we stayed out of the market today, you know, we took our own advice, which is, guys, there's days to just sit on your hands and learn and back test. And that's exactly what we did today. So if you just keep this in mind, then it'll give you some longevity in the markets, guys. And that's the whole point. The whole point is to have longevity in the markets, guys. You want to be able to trade another day, as they say. You don't want to make money today, lose it tomorrow, and so on, right? That's the worst thing you can do. Flipping accounts, all that bullshit. It's bullshit, guys. Like, it's not feasible. It's simply not feasible. And you know what? I know a lot of people can't listen to this shit. They don't want to hear it. You know what I mean? Because they have nothing else going on. So to them, trading is everything. It needs to be the end all be all. It needs to be what takes them out of their misery and takes them out of poverty, etc. But I'm sorry to be the one to break it to you, man, but guys, the most important thing is to have different eggs in your basket. Never put one egg, never put all your eggs in one basket. The whole point is spread yourself out. Make sure you have multiple streams of income. It's going to be so much easier for you to trade when you know that you got money coming in from all angles. You'll be able to take riskier trades because you know, hey, fuck it, if I lose $1,000 here, I got $2,000 or $3,000 coming in today or tomorrow or the next day. So there's no pressure. You know what I'm saying? And you just make wiser decisions when you're trading like this. So that's that, guys. Remember, if you want to check out the course, if you want to use the version 3.0 of TradeSafe, it's in the WHOP, guys. Check it out. If you want to trade with us live, that is also in the WHOP. And yeah, guys, I really, you know, I love to see the growth that is happening with the channel. And I mean, I'm just so excited, man. So excited that, you know, people really want to hear the shit that I'm telling you, which is the reality, right? I'm not, you know, so many people, like, I don't know, man. I'm really having a problem believing certain people in this industry, man. And I really want to believe it. Like, trust me when I tell you. And I have no problem saying it. Like, FX Alex G, he's one of them, man. It's like, I really want to believe the guy. But I feel like there's something so sinister behind it, right? I feel like there's something behind it because it's not trading. I don't know. The whole thing about 100 to 1 million, and I'm so 50-50 on it. It's so debatable. And not only that, but the whole grand scheme of now opening his own broker to then putting, you know, the signals out, which essentially he can choose when to liquidate people or not, just based on the signal he puts out, in which he shows that he took a loss, but that means everybody else took a loss, in which that means he made money on people's losses. in which that means that even if it was his money, he put it right back into his own brokerage. So it just, I don't know, guys, I'm having a really, really hard time kind of like seeing it for, maybe it is true, guys, maybe it is true, maybe it's all true, but it's just the whole industry, man, in this kind of like social media space. It's really, how can I say, it's a little bit disheartening, right? But I do see major traders, real traders, guys, and there are amazing retail traders out there, guys. So if you ever think you can't be one, trust me when I tell you, you can be a solid retail trader, and you can eat what you kill, as they say, right? Because essentially, if you don't kill, you don't eat. So I know, I truly know that there's people out there that will succeed as a real retail trader. Sorry, I got tongue-tied there. But yeah, guys, looking forward to seeing some of the comments, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.